Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Johnson, and this is my beauty channel where I share all of my beauty tips with you. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it now and join in on the conversation. And ladies, let's get this beauty started. All right, so today, ladies, I am showing you how to wax your lip. I did this before, I think in 2011. I showed you how to wax your lip. I have too many clients coming in saying that they were, in a real pinch. They went to some random person, they got burned, they had hyperpigmentation, they lifted their skin. I'm gonna just give you the 411 on how to wax your lip if you're waxing at home, or if you're going to an esthetician, so at least you know if they're doing it right. Now, first and foremost, please, please, please make sure that they use a different little spatula that's wooden each time they dip into the wax. Remember, that is where the bacteria starts. So I'm going to just show you how I do my lip. I need to do it. Yes, I get gray hairs now on my lip. I am Greek. I've always had a hairy lip. So this is just a fact. So girls that are Latina, that are Persian, that are Italian, that are Greek, you girls know, Armenians, you know how it is having hairy face, hairy lip, what have you. If you don't and you're not hairy, well, God bless you, because we are dealing with this since we were like 8. So I have two different things here that I use in the back bar. I have Blvd. It is a pre-base, so it takes off any of the oils, makeup before I wax. And then I have the soothing cream, which I absolutely love. It has chamomile in it, aloe vera extract, so it really soothes the lip. I put it on my clients afterwards. I use little Pellin strips that I cut myself that basically are what takes the wax off. Again, I have these little wooden spatulas that I use and I throw out each time. You do not want your esthetician or whoever is waxing you to dip into the wax, put it on your face, and then re-dip into it, okay? Think about how many clients they see a day and how gross that is, all right? So it's just understanding and having the knowledge of how the wax should look, and you wanna ask them, do you have different, these are all of my little guys here in this little, I keep it in this little plastic guy, so it's closed, and then I take them out. I put out, depending on the client and how big their lip area is, I'll take out maybe 6 or 7 depending on, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I do to wax my lip. So I just take a little cotton, I'll put the pre-base on this like so, and then I'm just going to wipe it across my lip. I have to wax my lip literally maybe every week. All right, maybe every 10 days. That is how hairy I am, and I cannot stand, besides the black hair, seeing this white hair now. The important thing is that you don't take the wax and you go from the middle, right below your nose, all the way down here. You don't want to lift the skin. So you want short little application of wax. So I'm going to just I do it in sections, 3 sections. So I do this section, then I'll do here, and then I do the most sensitive section by itself, okay? So I'm gonna show you how I just get a nice, clean, beautiful, hair-free lip. Just seriously, it makes me so happy. So I take a little wax, and I'm just gonna go right here, apply it, not too thick, not too thin, okay? And then I'm going to take my Pellin, place it down, and you know what's really important is that you get this to adhere to the wax. Now when you lift this, you don't lift straight out. You're going to lift your skin. You're going to just go straight across, okay? Hold the skin taut, straight across. And then you'll have your hair that comes out on your little Pellin strip. So then I'm gonna go and do this next section. I just think it's really important that you know how your lip is supposed to be waxed, and if you happen to be in a pinch, you have a black tie, you have a wedding, you couldn't get in to your esthetician, you know how you can do it at home. They have a lot of different kits now for home that you can do, and you don't have to worry. They don't all have to go in the microwave anymore. They've come a long way since, back in the early 2000s. That's it. That's how you wax your lip. So make sure when you're going to an esthetician that she is not lifting up, you don't feel pain, the wax is not hot enough. They should always test the wax before they put it on your face. So make sure if it feels really hot, you say something. It is not supposed to be hot. Mine's actually very stringy because I don't keep it hot at all. I don't want to ever, and I always test it prior to the day of working. That is nothing changed and it didn't get really hot and I have no idea. So I'm just going to do this last little section here. So it's short little movements close to the face. You are not lifting up, you are just pulling a little short little sections. That's how you wax your lip. I hope you enjoyed it, ladies, and I'll see you later.